Yeah,
you know.
yeah, like really, truly, right? Like, so I start every new student with, okay, how many hours of work do you have? All right, you have 10 hours of work. Well, in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, well, you're doing all that wrong. So if you were to do it my way, it would take you 7 hours. And now I'm going to ask you to do 2 hours of stuff on the weekend that you've never done before. Now we're up to 9 hours. And that's why I advertise better grades in less time. Right? Because this stuff is so obviously going to work. It's like, but if somebody really, truly doesn't want to hear it, then fine. Then, come back in 3 years. Right? Because we can't make people do stuff. Right? Like, they got to kind of see the benefit. But what I'm assuring you of is that the benefit is really fast because of the way school is run, right? Like, the structure of school is 1,000,000% predictable. You know it's going to be on that silly test.